Guys, how you doing? So this is the third part of why Fireblood is so goddamn amazing for women. It's not just for men, guys. It's important you know that. So I talked about the mineral aspect of Fireblood, and the dosages are amazing. The presentations are amazing. Definitely worth doing it just for the minerals on their own. Then I went through the vitamins for about the energy, hormonal balancing and everything like that. The final part of this brilliant formula is amino acids. Now, a lot of women I speak to daily are a bit worried about the word amino acids, and they don't really understand fully what benefit taking amino acids is going to give them. So let me just break it down very simply. Now, amino acids are key to our bodies. They're called the building blocks of life. So from the quality of your hair, your skin, your nails, the integrity of your muscle tissue, amino acids are so important and they're so essential. And the quality of amino acids are absolutely paramount to good health, from a healthy immune system to hormonal balancing to, like I said, hair, skin and nails. Really, really important. Now, the amino acid profile in Fireblood is exceptional. The whole formula is exceptional, but the amino acid profile in particular is brilliant because of the strengths and the actual amount of amino acids within the formula. So you've got all your essential amino acids. Typically, essential means that it's essential for us to take them daily, ingest them. We don't manufacture them. And then there's a few non-essential but very important amino acids added in extra. So quickly breaking down the importance of the amino acids, I've put a little list because I'll probably forget something. First thing's protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is about the body's ability to repair. So ladies, if you're hitting the gym or you're doing some sort of sport, amino acids should be a key part of your supplement regime and definitely in your diet. Go quality, if you can, go organic. Hormone regulation. So amino acids will regulate hormones, which is fantastic for women who maybe have PMS or menopause or heading into menopause, pregnancy. Really, really key for hormones in the body. Immune support. So amino acids are really key for keeping the immune system firing. There's some really cool things in them that will help with the immune system and getting it functioning well. You've got things like L-glutamine that help heal leaky gut, and the gut is essential for immune function. So really cool for that. Hair, skin and nails. So the amino acids help maintain the elasticity of skin. So if you want to go through life without trying to reduce wrinkles or prevent wrinkles, amino acids are absolutely key. They're important for collagen production in the body, and that helps with not only skin, hair and nails, but generally recovery from even sports injuries and things like that. Metabolism and energy. So energy definitely from amino acids. Amino acids is something I take daily and have done for as long as I can remember. I work out daily. I'm 56 years of age as I'm doing this. So it's important for me to help recovery and energy and focus and cognitive function and sleep. Amino acids are key to all of those things. So again, within this formula, you're loaded with amino acid. The final thing that may or may not interest some of you ladies is weight management. So it's been shown on several trials now that amino acids can be really helpful at maintaining weight management, reducing fat and keeping that muscle integrity high. So keeping you shaped and toned and feeling damn good. So Fireblood, third installment there on amino acids. I know it was very quick, but if I get into them and go through every individual amino acids, I will be talking for hours. Really cool formula. Cannot rate it highly enough. How they've done that for the price, I have no idea, but that is an absolute superb product, well worth considering. Myself and my whole family take Fireblood, including my daughter and my son. My son's 14, my daughter's 17, my wife, and stick that in an orange juice or some sort of juice. It's fine. It's absolutely fine. Take care, guys. Have an amazing day. Keep them amino acids coming in every day. Daily regime, really important. Look after your health. It's the best thing we have. Look after it. Mental, physical, emotional, spiritual. Look after your health. Cheers, guys. Bye.